Hello, good morning. We'll just start with our session. Okay. So in our last session, we have seen compare validator, right? And I have given little bit overview of range validator. We'll just continue with that. Okay. Okay. So now what is this range validator? Just we'll open our Visual Studio and we'll try to do something. Okay. Just click on design. So we can keep all these things, or if you want to keep, we can. So I will just keep something here. So just drag and drop range validator. So right click on it, properties. Okay. So minimum value 2, maximum value 5. Just will keep like that. Let's see what will happen. So and what we need to do, right click on it, properties, and also we need to change the invalid range. Okay. Okay. Control to validate. I did not kept it right. So right click on it, properties again. So control to validate. Who is that? Text box 4. Okay, similarly, we will maintain some consistency. If you don't keep that color, that is looking so odd. Okay, see, sometimes this mouse is not working. Okay, so now, okay, okay, so again, we'll go back to here and just see. Minimum value is 18, maximum value is 35. Okay, okay, fine. So I just kept a range validator here, age limit 18 to 35. So here we can have different types here, string, integer, or whatever we want, we can keep. And here, so, you know, so client mode, control to validate. Okay, just we are doing. Now I'm just saving this one. So what we done, we just kept range validator and we just provided minimum value, maximum value. That's it. Okay, now run this one. Now enter 17 here, invalid range. Enter 18 here. It is gone, right? Now enter 34, valid range. 36, invalid range. Okay, so this is how. So now, what you will do? Just what we'll do, what is there in the book, we'll just follow that. Okay, so it's simply kept like this. It's better, I think, from here to here. So you can take this diagram. So this is example for that. Why? Because so we have other components in URL. That's why. Okay. Okay, are you guys able to hear me? Okay. So are you guys able to understand this one? Okay, Garma. So here also it is working. When I change it to integer also it is working. But for practicing all the ASP.NET feature, I recommend 2015 to 2017 Visual Studio. So some features of ASP.NET are not there in this, Visual Studio 2022. That's why see some people are coming to me like if they are unable to see design page or source or something, I'm just recommending them to go with Visual Studio 2019. Okay, so done. If you're done, please tell me. Uh, from here, Balaji, from here to here. So this diagram also, why? Because why I'm not showing here means, so we have all the fields, right? Again, you people may confuse. That's why I'm asking you people to go like that. So we'll use this for some other purpose. That's why I'm keeping all these things. This is looking nice now. Okay, from here to here. Simple. Are you guys used that mini project with validation? Anyone implemented? Okay. Okay. Try. Try with that, Vasim. Very good, Garima. Okay. Okay. So how many of you want C# book here? Can you people tell me our C# book? Can you raise your hands? Can you people raise your hand? Or I already shared the book. Can someone tell me? I mean, apart from my old C# students, Shravani, can you speak now? I'm just unmuting you. Where is Shravani? Hi, Shravani.
Yeah, hi sir, good morning.
Good morning. So you are my 6 to 7 C# student also, right?
Yeah,
Sorry.
yes sir.
And then why you need C#? You already,
Hello.
you definitely have that book, right, with you.
Yeah, yes sir.
Okay. Say a task for you, share that book in this group.
Okay, yes sir. I will share
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So today only, maybe after class or sometime, it's based on your,
Yeah, okay sir. Okay.
yeah, no problem. Fine. So, okay. So those people who are, some people are asking for C# right book. So Shravani will share the book. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay sir.
Thanks, Shravani. You can mute yourself.
Yeah, okay sir.
Okay, done. Everyone, sir, individual fields will do it today. Very good, Padmavati. So anyone have any doubts or questions, clarification needed, or any help needed in that one? So just raise your hands. I will unmute them and I will speak with them. That's why I'm asking. Anyone needed any help in that project? Anyone have any questions? Any doubts in that? Okay, so then all are good. Mm, Gopi Bodha, did you try it? You got the output. Kranti, you got the output. Mir Dadima, you got the output. Nagina Patel, you got the output. Tejashwa, Tejashwi or Tejashwini, Tejashwa Rao, whatever, you got the output. Ramya, you got the output. Sneha Sham Prasad, you got the output, madam. Suhashini, you got the output. Swapnil, you got the output. So see, remaining the names whichever I did not spell or something, most of them shared the screenshots. At least some 80% from them. The people who the other people I don't know, but some names I mentioned here, they shared the screenshots also. Okay, only two people responded, and remaining 10, 15 people, I don't know. Okay, three people. Okay, 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 fine. So I'm just moving to the next validation. I don't know about other people. I hope you people are doing. Krishna, you got the output. No, I'm asking for this project, Krishna. Previously, I gave right 2, 3 days back. That one I'm asking, not validations. You can do that today and tomorrow. You have time. You can do that. Once we are done with all validation, then. Uh, but anyway, if you apply now, then what will happen? So that will be easy for you. That's why I'm saying. Okay, so those people whoever wants to join the C sharp batch 7:30 to 9. So the regular classes are starting from today. Their demos completed. So you can connect with our admin Hari Prasad. He is only admin there also. You can ask him so that he will help you. Or if you miss some classes or something, he will help you for recordings. Okay, the next one is regular expression validator. Okay, so how that is, I will just see. Okay, so simple. Here, just drag and drop regular expression validator like all our validators. Okay, error. What is this error? Invalid email. Email. So what is regular expression? So actually, in our whenever we are working with this JavaScript or something, so there is a concept called regular expression. What will happen like whenever we apply that regular expression, if our value is matching to that pattern, then only it will allow us, otherwise it will throw the error. Okay. So here validation expression is there. See, here we have different types of regular expressions. French phone number, French postal code, German phone number, internet URL, Japanese postal code, PRC, US zip code, something. So many things are there. Okay. Here we can add, for example, if you want to add one new regular expression also, you can add. Okay. What happened? They removed this email. What? Yeah, this one, internet email address. Or if you want to add new things also, you can add on your own. Okay, fine. So again, the control to validate. Text box 5. Save. So we just give all those things enough. This validation control is to uh, used to email ID, phone number, and PIN code, etc. So control to validate, internet email ID. This is used to set the expression which we want to perform validation. So we selected internet email ID. That's the reason it is it is showing internet email ID regular expression. Or if you want to keep phone number, it will give phone number. If you want to give some XYZ thing, it will give that XYZ thing. Okay, got it? Fine. So now I am just going for that and I will just run. So I don't know whether it will work or not. We'll see. Basically, what is the email ID? Do you people know what is the perfect email ID? text at the rate text dot text. So the example for that, what is that? text at the rate gmail.com. See, what text we used to give that don't care. So if we need to match this pattern, but we will see whether it will work or not. Why? Because in my last session, so when I gave the perfect one, that was not working. But like, let's see. Okay, just submit this. So it is working. So now remove few things. See, invalid email. Okay. Now keep dot. Still invalid email. Now keep something here. See, it's gone. So the same way I will follow. text submit invalid email at the rate invalid email text invalid email dot invalid email co. It will be a valid email. So the pattern is what? This is the standard pattern of email. Do you guys agree with me? Yes, no. So this is what email ID. So are you guys clear up to now? Whatever I explained. So almost we are done with the validations now. People tell me. So if someone wants me to explain from beginning also, I'm ready to explain. So just tell me. Anyway, our 10 people don't respond apart from the 10. So this 36 or 30 people are responding well. So please respond so that I will. Okay, all the validations. Sandhya. So Santosh, what is your question? Tell me so that I will explain. If someone is having doubt on something, I will explain that. That's what I'm saying. I will drag and drop that and I will just show that again. That's why. Santosh, I will unmute you, Santosh. You tell me so that I will explain. We have 6, 7 validations, right? Till now. Santosh. Yeah, Santosh. Tell me. Which one, Santosh? This one only? Email related only or something else you are saying? Yeah, yeah. Range valid. Simple, Santosh. Just right click on it. Properties. So what is the control? See, control to. So you guys now. So what? Kiran, I will explain. Okay. So yes, guys. So please ask him like that. Sorry, Bhaskar, I did not got you. So you are saying like some website will give by default at the rate gmail.com. You're saying, but it's not recommended, right? So some people will go with outlook.com, some people will go with yahoo.com, and some people will go with something, right? So maybe in international, you know, other countries they may use something else. Then in that case, what will happen? We are restricting them to use only Gmail. It's not recommended. That's what I feel. Agree with me, Bhaskar? Hmm. Okay, so who asked me? Uh, mm, Range valid. So our Santosh. Santosh. So are you able to follow? So Santosh. Sir, in our project, I was applying different validations. I want to check that no space should be allowed in first and last name. So, Garima, for that, you can have one one thing like what is that? Uh, Suddenly I forgot that. String dot trim. Sorry, suddenly I forgot the trim function. So what is that trim? So for example, your saving last name equals to string last name equals to text box 2 dot text. Okay, now what you will do? Last name dot trim. That's it. This is enough to remove the spaces. Okay, Germa, you can try it now. You can try once. Then what happened? So no spaces allowed, only special character allowed. That kind of thing you are asking. Custom validations. Yeah. So that will you need to go with custom validations. So JavaScript related. So you are done with this UI technologies class. There they will explain. That's why even we don't teach custom validations here. That's the reason. See, it is performed to using JavaScript. The next one only, the very next one. JavaScript they will teach there, no? So you can go with you can try those things. Okay, so I will come back to our Santosh query. Santosh. See Santosh. So range value. So what is the most important thing here? Control to validate. Which control we need to validate? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 text boxes are there. But which text box I need to apply the validation? So that's the reason. From the drop down, you can select whatever the text box. So some people may ask me, sir, can I keep this range validator and this regular expression validator for one field? Yes, you can keep. See, we kept here, na? So this is one and this is one. Or you can keep 100 validations on one text box. Okay, there is no restriction like that. Okay, got it. Now, so range validate. So for range validate, what we need to give is min length and max length. So minimum value I gave 18 and maximum value I gave 35. So what is the data type you can select here? Integer, string, double, whatever data type you want to keep, you can keep that. So okay, then what will happen now? What is the minimum value? 18. What is the maximum value? 35. So if you enter 17, it won't take because minimum value is 18. If you enter 36, it won't take it because maximum value is 35. So you need to enter in between 18 to 35. That is what range validator. So you got it now, Santosh? Okay, good. So now the next one. So this is what regular expression validator. See, regular expression is, so we don't need to write any custom regular expression because our uh, .NET provides some default regular expression. See, all these things. If you want to add your own, you can add French phone number, French postal code, German, internet email address, internet ID, some phone number, postal code, US phone number, chip code, all these things. Whatever you want, you can just keep here. So we just selected what? Email. So, and after that, same control to validate, we are adding. So whenever we enter valid email only, then only it will not throw what is that validation message. Otherwise, it always throw the validation message. Example. So see, what is the standard email address in India means? This one. Text at the rate text dot text. That means example for that test at the rate gmail.com. So whatever the text here we are keeping, that don't care. Whatever the text we are keeping here, that don't care. So whether it is matching to this format or not, that's it. That is what it is checking. Okay, got it now. So who asked this question? Suresh, I think. Yeah, Kiran. Kiran, you got it now, or you want me to explain now, or you have any specific doubt? Please make it fast. So other people are waiting. Okay, Kiran, thank you. Okay, so I'm just going to our notes again. Okay, just note down this one. And also note this custom validator. This will come whenever you go for JavaScript classes. So make it fast so that I can complete the validation summary also. With that, we will complete our validation. Okay, okay. Currently, whatever is in that book, so please note down everything. So tomorrow we'll start with the state management technique. So I will just give theoretical. I will focus more on theoretical knowledge and a few examples of state management technique, but I don't cover 100% state management techniques. Why? Because if you want to discuss completely, it will take 1 week or 10 days. So I don't want to waste that much time here in ASP.NET. So I want to move MVC. That's the reason. Okay. So maybe we'll try to finish in 1 or 2 days for the state management techniques. Once it is done, we will immediately move to MVC. Are you guys done? Please confirm. Okay. So I'm just moving to validation summary. So validation summary is if you want to display all validations at a time, then we'll go for validation summary. Okay. So how it is, how it will look. So just drag and drop validation summary here. See, all the validations it is showing here. Okay. All the validations, required field validations, whatever it may be. See, this is so nice, right? All the validation. So if you remember, what else is missing? So if you people remember, uh, in our Facebook and so they will, so we can apply again colors to this one. Everything will be same. Like other whatever we are getting colors here, we can keep colors and all here also. So when we are opening the facebook.com or something, okay. So what will happen? So if you people remember, see, they will display all the errors on the top. So they will display all the errors in the below. So for example, if you drag and drop this one here, then what will happen? It will show here. If you drag and drop here, it will show here. So what is the validation summary purpose is, if you want to display all the validations at one point, then we will go for validation summary. Yes, anyone have questions? Are you guys able to understand? Actually, this is the so easiest topic. I felt like, because I don't know what is the reason, but validations, all the students at a time they will understand. Are people able to understand, or you want me to explain one more time validation summary? There is nothing we done, just we drag and drop, that's it. When we click on submit, all the validations are showing at one place. No questions? Okay, then just go for this theory. Okay. Okay. Oh my. Okay, just note down these 2 points and I will show the design and you people can take that design now. Okay, so now just design this one. Whatever you're seeing on the screen, just design. Are you guys done? Why so people are so silent today? Hi. When I use validation summary, is it possible to hide the error message beside the control because there is no point of displaying same error twice? Who told Chandrasekhar? Chandrasekhar, we can display errors both the ways and we need to display like this also. So- For suppose, so some websites, so what will happen like, it's not mandatory to keep your validation summary here. You can keep here also. Okay. So sometimes what will happen, some websites maintain two-layer information related to errors. They will display here one set and they see at the field every time they used to keep. But sometimes if that is missing for so and so reasons, then so or what will happen? So simply we'll go to this validation summary, like so we'll check what all validations are missing. So okay, these validations are missing. Okay, fine, that's fine. So it's not like that, Santosh. So we can display twice also. There is no problem. It's not duplicate for sure. For user friendly user interfaces or something, they will maintain like this. But anyway, it's up to you. If you want, you can keep, otherwise you can keep error messages here also. You can observe some websites here real time, they will work like this. But anyway, so I'm trying to explain all the concepts here, so it's up to you how you practice. So any questions on validations? So so this is so easiest topic, that's what I feel. Why? Because see, nothing, we are not even coding one line of code here in validations. We people agree for that? We did not wrote single line of code, but we achieved all the things. Okay. So we are done with this one. So now my so my request for you guys, the project which we have given. So we have, so keep a required field validator, required field validator. So you don't need to keep anything. Password required, confirm password. So here required field and that password, what is that? Compare validator, both. So email validator, required field validator. Phone, required field validator. Address, nothing. Age, range validator, required field validator. Okay. Country, nothing you can keep. So you can apply all kind of validators at a time. Validation summary also you can keep. Okay. So then what will happen? So so see, it's almost equal to a registration phase. Now I request you guys. Now what you will do? See, just open this Facebook here. And just see what all fields they are keeping. If we are missing something, just follow them and keep them. That's it. Date of birth they kept. We did not given in our this one. Just keep like that. That's it. Okay. This is how then what will happen? Gmail. Go to the Gmail website and just go for sign up. If we are missing any fields or validation something, go there and keep there. Follow that. This is how you need to improve your skills. Okay. So let's see how many people will do validations and all. We'll see further. Okay, fine. Any questions? No. So thank you all for joining. We'll meet tomorrow.